Welcome to the IAQuilters show. This is our monthly recap of what's been happening, plus a focus or spotlight on what some members have been up to, and a look at what is coming up. I hope that everyone continues to be healthy and safe. I know there's been a few more additional lockdowns wherever you may be, and of course the vaccine coming around. So I hope all is well for you. During January, we had our buy meetings on Tuesdays. This is really a great opportunity for us to check in, help each other out, encouragement, inspire. So we also had our kickoff evening. So thank you for all those who participated in that. You can find any of those recordings that if you missed it in the forum area. Welcome to our new members in January. We've got Linda, Kathy, Linda, another Linda, Delene, Teresa, Nancy, Susan, Danelle, Carol, Joe, Kim, Ellen, Maggie, Michelle, Barbara, Janice, Corrine, Emma Jean, Diana, Sharon, Nadine, Jan, Sandra, Shard, Julie, Darlene, and Patricia. Big welcome, as we had a lot of new quilters join us this month. Super excited to get to know you better and see the projects that you're working on, as well as see you in our next meetup. So please make sure you check that calendar for our next meetup times. For those of you who are participating in our January birthdays and the January charity, please make sure you load up your picture and share what and who you are donating those to. In March, we will go ahead and announce our winners for the January donation. So get those in. We aren't picky about those. You are in charge of what you want to donate and to whom. We made it a little bit easier, a little bit different this year, so you're not shipping anything and costing you anything more. But if you'd like to participate, you have your birthday month, and that is when you send something to your charity of choice. So just make sure you share it with us so we can keep track and put you in the drawing for the giveaway that we have. This past little bit, we have had the Orphan Project Challenge. What fun it was to see all your projects make a little bit of progress, move forward, and come back to life. So thank you again to all those who participated in the Facebook Lives that happened. It was really nice to see some familiar names on that, so I do appreciate that. Remember that new activities are still being added to the calendar, as well as our classes page. So you'll find that the dates on those will be released as well. So if you click on one of the Quilt Ruler Quarterlies, you can see exactly when that class will go live. So those are going to be added to the calendar, so you can go ahead and plan for them. So what's coming up this month? For the IAQ news, check for the link under this video. It will download this month's activities right on one page. It has the days of our quilting bee and any of the activities that are coming, like the homestead, the swap, etc. So look for that download link and click that, and then you can print that off and post it somewhere near your station so you know exactly what's happening in the IAQ. Of course, because we just had our Orphan Project Challenge, we will be having the first quilting bee of 2021. Square dance is the theme, so please make sure you put down the following dates. We've got February 2nd at 1 p.m. and then Friday the 5th. We will be meeting at 10, 2, and 7. Those are Mountain Standard Times. The 5th is kind of our all-day sew day for the quilting bee. So whether you are going to be sewing something from the bee, we had 3 quilts to choose from, or you're choosing your own project, feel free to pop in our little check-in and pop-in times and share your progress with us. So no matter what you're sewing on, you are welcome to sew along with us. We will still have our monthly meetup next Tuesday as well. So for that afternoon meetup, it's like bring your questions about our technique that we're covering, any other questions that you have concerning the projects that you're working on, whether they're in the group or not. If you're stuck on something or have a question, bring it. This is a great time to get personal help, and we can help you get unstuck and moving forward again. If we have time, we'll have a quick show and tell or personal catch-up minute. So for this month, we are continuing the homestead with the first section this month. So excited. Oh my gosh, so excited to finally get this one going and started. I know a lot of you have been picking out your fabrics and you are ready to go. So Kathy has offered and is on our project, our project lead for this. We thank you so much for your help and kind of a little bit of sewing ahead. So we look forward to everybody's progress though along the way. So PS, if you are interested in being a project lead for any of the things that are happening here, please check out the link in the resources below to sign up. We are also exploring applique this month, as well as we will have signups for our first swap of the year. So again, check that calendar for those dates so you don't miss it. Also on the calendar, February 16th is our first Quilt Ruler Quarterly. I believe it's the Hex and More Quilt Ruler. And it goes live. So excited to have this added to the IAQ. You'll find the ruler and the information on where you can pick it up in the classes page. There's also going to be a few videos, how to use the ruler, as well as a fun project that is exclusive to us, giving you an opportunity to try the ruler out, plus some more resources. I've tried to keep the projects like minimal in size, just giving you an opportunity to use the ruler, understand how to cut with the ruler, because sometimes they're a little tricky, but not be overwhelmed with this large quilt. So you may have this ruler sitting in your drawer. It's time to dig it out and learn how to use it. So we kind of tend to collect a lot of these notions and not really get much done with these. Now is your chance and your opportunity. For IAQ announcements, really, we don't have anything announcing this month. Please just make sure you check the calendar, join us we have many meetups this month. So make sure you are just on top of that. We really would love to see you there and introduce you to all the other members that we have here. So now is the time for this month's awards. We have 2 prizes this month to give away, and they are for January. Chit Chat is Sue, and the images is Jan for Micah. So congratulations to you too. Coming up, of course, we'll have another drawing for our January birthday charity winner. So watch for that in the next coming months. Thank you so much. We appreciate all the IAQ members participating in the forum area, giving feedback to others, starting conversations, helping answer questions, and just sharing the projects that you're working on. Really keep up the great work and inspiration. So watch your email. You will be sent a $25 gift card to spend at Fat Quarter Shop. And Sue, I will be sending you another email just to make sure or check on which shop you would like to be sent to since you are in Canada. So thank you all for being a great IAQ member. I believe that is it for this month. I hope you continue to have happy days and find a little bit of time to sew a little bit each day. I will see you next month.